Here we are at 6236 4th Street, Northeast. Great property. Right here, very accessible to the airport and downtown. An awesome cycling pathway, Nose Creek pathway system. And on a bus route. And lots of amenities nearby. Let's go have a look. It's got a lower suite. Long-time tenant's been there since about 2013. Nice backyard and parking here. Fire pit, I guess. It's got a nice furnished living room. Internet. It's nice and bright with really good nice blinds. Kitchen. No dishwasher. This is where the laundry is. And 3 bedrooms. I guess this is bedroom 3. Closet. Bathroom. Then bedroom 2. Then nice blinds. Closet. It's kind of a maid closet, only do short-term rental. And then probably the primary bedroom. And again, this is the lower tenant who's been there since 2013 or 2011. Great handyman, helps us lots in this property and others. If you have any questions, reach out.